Model, 2015 Mercedes Sprinter 313CDI long wheelbase, genuine low mileage, full 12 months, MOT no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 98,102. MOT, the 5th of February 2026. Engine, 2,143 cc ohm, 651,129 hpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, reversing camera, 12 months MOT. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.